So what is a personal vaporiser? A personal vaporiser, classed as a novelty item and not a quick smoking aid, is a device that vaporises a glycerin-based liquid. It's made up of three parts. You have a battery, an atomiser and a mouthpiece. Inside the mouthpiece is a cartridge filled with polyester wool that has been soaked in a glycerin-based liquid. This liquid is often known as juice. When you inhale on the mouthpiece, the battery activates and heats up the atomiser. At the same time, juice is being forced into the atomiser, and when it reaches the heating coil, it then becomes vaporised, producing results like this. So let's take a look at those three parts in a bit more detail. So here we have the three main parts that make up the personal vaporiser. We have the battery, the atomiser and the mouthpiece. The mouthpiece contains a cartridge that is filled with polyester wool which has been soaked in a glycerin-based juice. The battery on one end has a screwed thread, and on the other end it has an LED which will light up every time it's activated. The atomiser also has a screwed thread, and on the other end, if you look carefully, you can see a steel wick. Underneath that steel wick is a heating coil. The steel wick soaks up the glycerin-based juice and feeds it to the heating coil. Once it reaches the heating coil, it then becomes vaporised. The battery and atomiser screw together, and the mouthpiece slots in place. And there you have your complete personal vaporiser. When the battery runs out, it will need to be recharged. To do this, you'll need the charger. On one end you have a connection for the power cable, and plug this end into any main socket. On the other end will be a connection for the battery, and on top is the charging status light. A red light indicates the battery is charging, and a solid green light indicates the battery is now fully charged. Remove the battery from the atomiser and gently screw it into the charger. The charging status light will turn red, and once it goes solid green, it means that you now have a fully charged battery. Remove and reconnect to the atomiser. You now have a fully charged battery and you're ready to start vaping again.